Is this the best tortilla? Or this one? What about this? Is this the best tortilla? And what about this one? Is this the best tortilla de patatas in Madrid? Today, Spain lovers, we're going to go to the 5 best spots for tortilla de patatas in the city and discover which is the best. So venga, let's go. Hey guys, I'm James Blick and welcome to Spain Revealed. This channel's all about helping you explore Spain like a local. Now, I have a confession to make. Let's take a seat. When I first moved to Spain, I did not love tortilla de patatas, this famous dish here in this country, and I've been flamed for saying as such. But see, the problem is, this is true comfort food. It's food that reminds you of your grandmother, it's food that reminds you of home, it's the food of memories and everything like that. Well, my grandmother, my memories, my home was in New Zealand. But here's the thing, I have since fallen deeply in love with this dish. It's warm, it's creamy, it's satisfying. You can eat it any time of day. Look, almost every bar in this country does a tortilla de patatas, but some are so bad and some are so good. So today we're going to try 5 of the best tortillas de patata in Madrid. I'll be tasting each of them. Yoly, who's behind the camera, she'll be tasting each of them as well. As you know, she's a super taster, so I really respect her opinion. And we're going to go, and each place is a little bit different in the way that they do it. And here's the other thing, you've got to stay till the end, because the last place we're going to go to was recently crowned the best tortilla de patatas in Spain. So let's see if it's true. Hang till the end. Let's hit the first place now. Okay guys, welcome to Madrid. This place is so close to my heart. We're right opposite the Mercado San Miguel. This is a family-run joint. Carlos in the kitchen behind me, Maria Angeles, his wife, and their son Carlos running the bar, have been running it for decades. It was Maria Angeles' father's before that. There's a photo of him on the wall, so really family-run. And Carlos is famous for tortilla. There's 4 things that you need to know about tortilla before you dive into this video to truly understand what this thing is. First of all, a tortilla is not like you think of, a tortilla in Texas or Mexico or something like that, flatbread. This is like an omelette with potato in it, with egg. You're gonna see a lot of them in this video. They look like this a little bit. So that's a Spanish tortilla or a Spanish omelette, tortilla de patatas. Number 2, when you order a tortilla, if you ask for una tortilla, they might bring you an entire tortilla. So you wanna ask for a pincho de tortilla. If you ask for a pincho, you will get a slice. This is a pincho de tortilla. 3, when you're eating tortilla, drink it with a caña. So perfect. 4, and this one really shocked me when I moved here, is that tortilla will be served with bread. And you're thinking, potato and bread? That's insane. Look, for the first 3 years of your time in Spain, it won't make any sense, and suddenly one day it will click and you'll be like, they didn't give me bread with my tortilla. Can I get some bread, please? And then you scoop up all the beautiful mushy egg and potatoiness with the bread. So those are 4 rules. But before we get into the tortilla here in Madrid, you also need to know a little bit about how it's made. Carlos has just invited us into the kitchen so we can see how he makes it in the moment. Let's go. ¿Cuál es el secreto de una buena tortilla, Carlos?
Buenos huevos y buenas patatas.
Secret of a good tortilla, good eggs and good potato. The beauty of Spanish cuisine is so simple, so you're going to have great ingredients.
Y un buen cocinero, ¿no?
Ya lo de menos, porque yo no creo que lo sea, ¿verdad?
A good cook or a good chef, Yoly suggests, but Carlos is like, well, not so much. So now you know how to do it at home. Now you know how to make a tortilla. Easy, Carlos style.
Maybe don't try the flipping just yet.
Yeah, I can't flip. Can you flip?
Do a kickflip!
And now we have to plate it up. I say. Hey! Okay. Quédate, hijo.
Quédate, hijo.
All right, let's get into this tortilla. Firm on the outside, runny on the inside with those pieces of potato. You don't want a tortilla that's too firm and too dry. That's no fun. It is one of my favorites. Wow, good. Yoly, you need to try this. I know you know it well, but I know you love it, so your turn.
The moment of truth. So this is breakfast. Thank you very much, Carlos, for this delicious breakfast. One of my favorites, really. It's so good. I think it's just perfectly cooked, perfect flavor. This salt is like right spot on. I just love it. I just love this tortilla. Oh my God.
This is Fran from Seville, and he said he found this place Cerveri's because of us. So it's always nice to teach Spaniards about good places as well. That happened. Bueno, gracias, Fran. Okay, en route to stop 2, Tortilla 2, Caña 2, we're walking along Cava Baja. Now, if you remember from a recent video, we did a tapas crawl along this street, but this is our route from Cerveri's to the next place, which is Juana La Loca, it's called. This is a more modern tapas bar. They do pinchos in the Basque style, and they're famous for their tortilla. Let's see how it is. Okay, so Juana La Loca, there's a whole selection of pinchos across the bar, including their famous pincho de tortilla, which you're going to notice looks really different from the one in Cerveri's. So, given with a very large knife, which is curious. It's like, I'm not ordering a steak here. But anyway, and the trusty caña, of course. Ooh, very different from Cerveri's. So this one, you can see that color on the potatoes. They've been fried, they're golden, the potatoes. And this one is famous also for a little sweetness because of the caramelization of the onions. This one had onions in it, but this one has them caramelized. Thing is, I didn't get a lot of sweetness on that first hit. I remember last time I was here, I found it a little too sweet actually, but now I'm tasting more the golden potato, and I really, really like that. There's almost like a spiciness to it. You can see the caramelized onion there. Again, I'm not getting too much sweetness, which I'm really enjoying. And the goldenness of the potatoes.
Oh, lovely.
Yoly, you need to try this.
It's almost like the potatoes were in a stew or something like that. Like really, the onion flavor is like really ingrained in the potato. You know what I mean? It's like, they're like stewed potatoes, you know, almost.
There.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like the onion has taken on, it's not too sweet at all, actually. So it has taken on other flavors that are brilliant, really good, very yummy.
But just a little note, did you notice how Yoly is a super taster and I'm not? I'm like, oh, I think there's something more than egg and onion in here and potato. And meanwhile, Yoly is like, you know, there's like some sort of stewing of the potatoes and things like that. One of the things I love about you, Yoly, is that you just have such a wonderful palate, and it's so much better than my palate. But the table should be turned, really. You know, this should be your channel.
Thank you.
I feel like that'll get a few comments. I'm going in again. Salud, Yoly.
Salud.
You're ready for beer and tortilla number 3?
Oh, yes.
And breakfast
And
number
breakfast number 3.
Exactly. All right. Salud. On to the next stop. So this next place opened in 1892, and it was originally a wine shop. They actually had their own vineyards in the outskirts of Madrid, and there were a few of them around Madrid. It didn't make tortilla back then, but in 1970, a butcher and his wife Conchita bought the place, took it over, and Conchita's tortilla became famous, and it's still famous today. Let's go and try it. Okay, Bodega Ardosa is always heaving, it's always packed, and I had to wait about 10 minutes for the tortilla because they make them fresh. That's the beauty of it. Okay, so looking at the tortilla, it's creamy, it's got a good ratio, in my opinion, of egg to potato. Certainly not dry, I hate a dry tortilla. Little omelette on the outside. Let's dig in, see what it tastes like. It's good. Potatoes are perfectly cooked. A little bit of caramelization around the edges of the potatoes. It gives a touch of sweetness. There is onion in here. Well, there's a big debate whether potato omelets or tortilla patata should have onion or not. You're going to find out more at our next place about that whole debate. I'm pretty happy. I wouldn't mind a touch more salt, but it's a good tortilla. Yoly, let's see what you think.
That'd be good. It's very lovely. It's very, very nice. I love the egg. It's very runny. I love, you know, my egg runny in a tortilla. I agree that a tiny touch more salt would be great, but it's delicious. It's very, very good. The potatoes are cooked to perfection. Delicious.
All right, let's go. The next place is about a 10-minute walk away, Taverna La Pedraza, and it has a pretty special story, this tortilla. So let's head there now.
Right.
Okay guys, we're now in Barrio Salamanca, and this place, Taverna Pedraza, is famous, run by a couple. We're gonna go in and we're gonna try their very special tortilla that is made in a very special and quite unique way to the north of Spain. Let's go. Salud, Yoly.
Salud.
Tortilla number 4. Okay, now we're at La Pedraza number 4. There's something really important in the world of tortillas that we need to talk about, and that is the war between con cebollistas and sin cebollistas. Those who profoundly believe that a tortilla should have onion.
Like me.
Like you, Yoly, and kind of like me, and like the people that have made the tortillas in the 3 places before here, they've all had onion. And the other side is people who say a tortilla is not a tortilla if it has onion. It should just be 4 ingredients: egg, potato, olive oil, and salt. And this place, La Pedraza, is sin cebolla because the style of tortilla is a Galician style from the northwest of Spain, from a village called Betanzos. And it's a lot of egg, less potato, and no onion. I'm not necessarily convinced, but we're gonna see how it is. Let's go. And there's something over there I wanna show you that's kind of curious about this place. This up here is the tortilla counter. So this counts how many tortillas they have made since the 10th of April 2014, which maybe that's when they opened, I assume so, or when the counter got put in. So every time you order a tortilla, the counter ticks over. So 45,590 tortillas. We have just ordered the 45,590th. I have no idea if that's how you say it in English, and don't ask me in Spanish. And so we've ordered, and now here's something really important. You know how I told you at the first bar that when you go to a place to order tortilla, and you're just kind of eating for 1 or 2, you want to order a pincho de tortilla, a piece or a slice of tortilla. Here, because of the way it's made, you're going to see this when I show it to you, you cannot order a pincho. You have to order the whole tortilla. So we got the whole guy here. Yoly just cut out a little pincho from it, and you can see that when you cut in, you can see why they don't serve it in individual pinchos, because when you cut into it, it just all gets runny and all the gooey egg runs out. So when you look inside this, you can see that it's smaller, it's not very high, and there's a lot of egg, and it's really yellow, the egg. So you can see that there's little slices of potato in there. It's a little different. Mm-hmm. And these have been fried previously. Yeah, very eggy. There's a flavor of the fried potato. I still prefer my tortilla with a little bit of salt, but actually I see the beauty in this. And I see why it doesn't have a lot of salt, because it is really about the flavor of the potato and the egg. Yoly, I want to know what you think, because I know you're a salt fiend like me.
Exciting
No
moment.
pressure.
No pressure at all.
No.
This is beautiful, actually. I'm thinking, yeah, it's the best way to like really taste really good potatoes. Now, it's very important to get good potatoes. You know, like this is all about the flavor of the potato. So the egg, I guess, is like free range and beautiful. It's got a lot of flavor as well. Oh, it's beautiful, it's delicious. Yeah.
So look at how small these slices of potato are in this tortilla. I've never seen them so small. It's actually run by a married couple, this place, Santiago and Carmen. Santiago used to be head of Madrid tourism. Carmen, his wife, she makes all the tortillas, and I love it. And she cuts every potato down to those tiny pieces. My God, she must have the patience of a saint. Or love potatoes. Probably both. She has cut potatoes that small for 45,000 tortillas. So how many slices of potato are in each tortilla? What if there was 45,000 slices of potato? 45,000 times 45,000. The calculator doesn't even do it. It's got an E in there. 2,025E9. That's how many slices of potato that Carmen has cut in her life. Wow, great tortilla. Thank you, Carmen and Santiago. So one of the very cool things here is that they give you a ticket when you pay your bill of what number tortilla you had. And so we got 45590, and I can see over there on the counter right now that since we ordered, 6 more have come out. So I wonder if you get a t-shirt if you eat the millionth tortilla. We're still about 950,000 away, so 12 years. It's a lot of small pieces of potato. All right, let's go to the next stop. Yoly, how you feeling? Can you squeeze in one more?
I guess so.
One more pincho or a whole one?
One pincho.
One pincho. All right, let's go. It's only a 10-minute walk. Okay, stop number 5. Our final stop and the place you've all been waiting for, Casa Dani. This place won the best tortilla in Spain this year, and I guess in the world. Like, where else do they make tortilla? And it's in the Mercado de la Paz in the Salamanca neighborhood, so we're gonna head in there. It's famous, opened in 1991. Let's check out this world-famous tortilla. So Yoly, I'm starting to get worried that we're eating too many eggs. I mean, we've had 4 tortillas so far. There's like 7 eggs in a tortilla. There's 5 potatoes per tortilla. We haven't eaten the whole tortillas, but we ate the whole tortilla at the last place. Can you die by eating too many eggs? No, we're okay, because there's that movie where Paul Newman eats 50 eggs. What's that movie called? Let us know in the comments. That has put my mind at ease. If he survived, we can survive this egg and potato binge. All right, more tortilla. I'm hungry. So Casa Dani, been open since 1991, family-run place, and just super famous for its tortilla. Everyone love it. All right, let's dig in. Okay, I am ready to eat Spain's best tortilla according to the judges. I mean, just looking at it, it looks incredible. It's hearty, it's meaty, it's runny, it's potatoey, it's eggy. It's the most impressive tortilla so far, I would say. Let's see. So the egginess is perfect. There's the right balance between egg and potato. You get little hits of caramelized onion in there, so it's not throughout. You just get little moments of it, which I really love, because when it gets too sweet with caramelized onion throughout, it just overpowers it and it loses the kind of complexity, but those little hits are delicious, like little spots of sweetness. All right, Yoly, your turn.
No wonder I won the award.
All right.
It's very, very yummy. I mean, you've said it all, and I agree with everything. I will only add,
Super taster.
one of those crazy finds of mine. This is crazy. I feel there is a little bit of like a blood sausage taste in there. I don't know, but there is some blood sausage in there.
Okay, we've got blood sausage, super taster.
And that's it. Everything else, I mean, you guys have to come and try this because it's pretty amazing. So good.
Okay, the judges have been deliberating. When I say judges, I mean Ben. Yeah, exactly. And we have come to a verdict, and it's a split decision. I'm going to call runner-up Tenerife, and then the winner for me, by a hair, by a smidge, is Casa Dani. But a little nuance is that we'll depend on the day a little bit. These things are made fresh, so sometimes I've called it for Tenerife in the past, sometimes Casa Dani, but today Casa Dani, big, meaty, yummy. Wow, love it. Yoly?
And for me, it's, well, exactly the other way around. So, you know, just by a hair, Tenerife is the winner for me, but this is like second runner, big time. This is wonderful as well.
Just by a hair in your tortilla?
Just by a hair in my tortilla, hopefully not.
Well, I think, as I say, all of them deserve your time. But yeah, get in here, eat tortilla when you're in Spain. Delicious. Eat the bread, drink the caña. We've got one here.
Yes.
Salud to you guys. What next? I can't have more tortilla. What do we do next?
Oh, drink?
We'll go for a drink. And as you know, guys, a big lunch in Spain always calls for a big drink to finish up. In this case, an enormous gin and tonic.
And a sunny terraza, of course.
Of course, Yoly loves the sun. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, give it a like, and hasta luego. Ciao.